In this video, I will show you how to lock the focus on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now to lock the focus on the camera of your iPhone, first of all, just open the camera app. Now to lock the focus, just tap and hold on the preview on the screen. And once you do that, a small text will appear at the top of the screen, which says auto exposure and autofocus are locked. And once you do that, you will lock the autofocus and the auto exposure of your iPhone. Now to unlock the autofocus, just tap on the empty space on the screen. And once you do that, you will unlock the autofocus. Just like that. As you can see, autofocus is locked, and to unlock it, I will tap on the screen. Just like that. And this is how you can lock the focus on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.